Let's open up this pack of 1993 Donruss Series 2 and see what stars we can find, if any. Start off with Terry Leach, Jimmy Key, we got Ron Darling, Scott Bankhead, Jose Melendez, Chris Gwynn, we got Lonnie Smith, Jim Austin, we have a backwards card. No, it's just a checklist. We got a Kevin Young rated rookie, Brian Jordan, probably the best one we're going to get, Will Cordero, sure, why not, and Ryan Klesko, he would have been a good one to pull back in the day. Well, there it is, 1993 Donruss. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.